Welcome back to Advanced Excel Formulas video series. Few years back, I had created a video in which I have shown various steps through which you can extract ET500's companies list in Excel. Since then, lot of new updates are brought inside the Excel, and it is now lot more easier to get this data in a columnar format inside Excel. Hence, I have created this video to show that particular approach. Before I start, I would like to inform you that I am using the latest versions of Excel 365 and the approach I am showing will work only in the current versions. For any previous versions of Excel 2010, 13, 16 or even 365, this approach will not work. You need to have the latest versions of Excel for this to work. So with that, let us get started and move to Google to locate our website. So I've simply searched E2500 list under Google. This first page is getting displayed. I will click on this. Then this page is displayed. I will simply click on the full list for 2023. From this, I will simply select, instead of top 25 companies, I will simply select 100 companies. Select all of this. Control C, go to the Excel file and paste it over here. I've pasted the top 100 companies over here. Now below this, I will just do a copy paste for the remaining ones. Let us go back to our website, home, next, starting from 101, I will just copy it down. Control C, come back to Excel, simply paste below this. So ensure that you are going to delete this particular headers when you are copy pasting. I don't require that, only starting from the companies I will require. Next, similar way I will do it for other remaining companies as well. Go back to this one, home, next, starting from this 201, I will simply select this. Control C, come back to Excel and paste below this. Control V. Now here you can see the header rows are not coming. Now the remaining ones, I will just quickly copy it down. And that's it. So I have already copied all the 500 companies information over here. Now if you notice that all the companies data set is under 8 rows. So for Reliance, same way for Indian Oil Corporation, it is consistent across all the data set. I've copied the headers over here already. Now I will simply write a single formula which will be wrap rows. Simply select excluding the header row till the last data set. Press Ctrl backspace, comma, it will be 8, since the 8 rows are there, round bracket close, and press enter. So the moment you do that, here you can see that our entire data set for top 500 companies have been listed over here. Now you can simply select this, Ctrl C, Ctrl Alt V, and convert this into values, and you can perform your analysis the way you want it. So this is very simple tricks. In the current versions of Excel, it is going to work. I do not have to do a lot of formatting as I've shown in my previous video. So I hope you like this trick useful. Thanks for liking this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.